Bay Windows Meridian installation in Meridian, Idaho, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of Bay Windows Meridian styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that complement their home's architecture. Bay Windows Meridian experts in Meridian, Idaho are skilled in providing custom bay windows that meet the specific needs and preferences of each client. Custom Bay Windows Meridian in Meridian offer a unique opportunity for homeowners to personalize their living spaces. By working with Bay Windows Meridian specialists, residents can select from a range of Bay Windows Meridian materials, dimensions, and features to create a window that perfectly fits their vision. Bay Windows Meridian customization in Meridian, Idaho ensures that each installation is tailored to the homeowner's style and functional requirements. Energy-efficient Bay Windows Meridian are a top priority for many homeowners in Meridian, Idaho. These windows not only enhance the beauty of a home but also contribute to energy savings by reducing heat loss and improving insulation. Energy-efficient Bay Windows Meridian in Meridian are designed to keep homes comfortable year-round while lowering utility bills. Bay Windows Meridian contractors in Meridian are well versed in the latest energy-efficient technologies and can recommend the best options for your home. Bay Windows Meridian replacement in Meridian is an excellent way to upgrade your home's appearance and functionality. Whether you're dealing with outdated windows or seeking to improve energy efficiency, Bay Windows Meridian replacement services in Meridian, Idaho offer a range of solutions. Bay Windows Meridian upgrades in Meridian, Idaho can transform your living space, providing better views, increased natural light, and improved ventilation. Affordable Bay Windows Meridian are available for homeowners looking to enhance their homes without breaking the bank. Bay Windows Meridian contractors in Meridian offer competitive pricing and flexible financing options to make Bay Windows Meridian installation accessible to all. By choosing affordable Bay Windows Meridian, residents can enjoy the benefits of beautiful, functional windows without compromising on quality. Bay Windows Meridian installation in Meridian, Idaho is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Over time, wear and tear can affect the functionality and appearance of Bay Windows Meridian. Bay Windows Meridian installation services in Meridian, Idaho address issues such as leaks, drafts, and damaged frames, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition. Regular Bay Windows Meridian maintenance in Meridian can prevent costly installations and extend the life of your windows. Bay Windows Meridian installation in Meridian, Idaho, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of Bay Windows Meridian styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that complement their home's architecture. Bay Windows Meridian experts in Meridian, Idaho are well versed in the latest Bay Windows Meridian trends, ensuring that your installation is both stylish and functional. Custom Bay Windows Meridian in Meridian offer a unique opportunity for homeowners to personalize their living spaces. By working with Bay Windows Meridian specialists, you can select from a range of Bay Windows Meridian materials and dimensions to create a window that perfectly fits your needs. Customization options include different bay Windows Meridian features such as built-in seating, storage, and energy-efficient glass, making your bay Windows Meridian both beautiful and practical. Energy-efficient bay Windows Meridian are a smart investment for Meridian homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills. These windows are designed to minimize heat loss and maximize natural light, providing significant energy savings. Bay Windows Meridian contractors in Meridian can help you choose the best energy-efficient windows for your home, ensuring that you enjoy both comfort and cost savings. Bay Windows Meridian replacement in Meridian is an excellent way to upgrade your home's appearance and functionality. Whether your current windows are outdated or damaged, Bay Windows Meridian replacement services in Meridian, Idaho can provide you with modern, high-quality options. Bay Windows Meridian upgrades not only improve your home's curb appeal but also increase its value, making it a worthwhile investment. Affordable Bay Windows Meridian are available for homeowners on a budget. By working with experienced Bay Windows Meridian contractors, you can find cost-effective solutions that don't compromise on quality or style. Affordable Bay Windows Meridian offer the same benefits as more expensive options, including improved aesthetics and energy efficiency, making them a smart choice for budget-conscious homeowners. Bay Windows Meridian installation in Meridian, Idaho is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Over time, Bay Windows Meridian can experience wear and tear, leading to issues such as drafts, leaks, or broken seals. Bay Windows Meridian installation services in Meridian can address these problems, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition and continue to provide the benefits you expect. Bay Windows Meridian design in Meridian, Idaho is all about creating a harmonious blend of style and functionality. With a focus on Bay Windows Meridian aesthetics, designers can help you choose the perfect window style, materials, and features to enhance your home's interior and exterior. Bay Windows Meridian design services in Meridian ensure that your windows are not only beautiful but also meet your specific needs and preferences.